This year, we are introducing a new air purifying system called Nanoe-G, which utilizes nanotechnology fine particles to purify the air in the room. As soon as you switch it on, Nanoe-G particles are released from the Nanoe-G generator. It works effectively on airborne and adhesive microorganisms such as bacteria, viruses and mold, thus ensuring a cleaner living environment. For airborne microorganisms, Nanoe-G particles will attach to airborne microorganisms and efficiently bring them back to the filters. Nanoe-G can effectively remove 99% of airborne bacteria, viruses and mold. For adhesive microorganisms, Nanoe-G particles are able to deactivate 99% of bacteria and viruses and inhibit mold growth that settle on surfaces around you. With Nanoe-G, you can now enjoy living in a cleaner environment.